Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So this is a great day for us. It was the beginning of the Dollar General clearance sale, and almost everything in the specific sections in the clearance aisles, they either had to be gray stars, red triangles, blue dots. I'm trying to think if there's another color dot. I think they were just blue dots. But if they were in that category, then it was 50% off. And so there were different items. They were in different places in the store. You just had to kind of hunt around and see what was what. And we found some really great things. So let me share with you what we were able to get and how much we paid. So these finish tabs, these are the Maxim ones. They now have these in the 4-pack tablets. They have these in the dollar section. And so of course we had the $1 off finish. And so I was able to get this item free. So the way it works at Dollar General, you can only use 2 coupons per visit is how it works down. So at the first store we went to, I did 2, and then we just left the store because I didn't want to deal with leaving, coming back, all that. Then we went to another Dollar General, and then as I was doing another transaction, Alana actually went through the line and she purchased a couple for me, and then I purchased some in my transaction at a totally different register. So we just had to do it that way today because they only let you use 2 of the same coupon. So altogether we got 7 of these. There are 4 in a pack, and so that's 28 dishwasher tabs, which is enough for 28 loads of dishwasher loads. And so not having to pay anything for that is absolutely an amazing deal. So the next thing I picked up were these protein snacks. These are Special K snack bars. They have there's 6 in a box. They were marked down to $1.30. So normally $2.60. Well, they were marked down $2.60. Then an extra 50% off. So $1.30 I paid for this one. These plates, they're party plates. They're 16 count. We don't have any paper plates in the house right now, and so I needed some. And these were 75% marked down, and they actually rang up for 37 cents. I only got 2 packs. I really wish I had gotten a few more. They are smaller than your regular paper plates, but this is really all that the kids and I would need for just everyday meals or, you know, whatever, lunches on the weekend. So 37 cents, and I got 2 packages of these. This Colgate Advanced Health, it was $5, and 50% off. It came up to $2.50, and I had a $1 off coupon. So this ended up being $1.50. Then this Shower to Shower, this is body deodorant, was $2.45. And then it was 50% off, so $1.25, and I had a $2 off coupon off of this one. So this ended up being free, plus a little bit of a money maker for us that went towards some of these items right here. So I had like 55 cents in overage that went to pay for some of this because all of this was free already. Okay, so then we went to the clothing section, and we actually started outside. They had some bins outside, and we found these. These are fitted tights. They're ribbed. Of course, we're not wearing tights right now in the spring season, but these are ribbed tights. They have feet, and these are non-ribbed. They don't have feet. I got these in the medium size for Alana, and they were 25 cents a piece. So I got 3 of them for 25 cents a piece for Alana, or we might find somebody else who we can give some of these to. So for 3 pairs of tights, 75 cents. Then we went to the back where they had some of the clearance items that were the last chance, last markdowns. And they had these tank top shirts, which there's 3 tanks in this one. And Jackson loves to wear tank top shirts. So these were marked at $5.60. So they rang up like $2 and some change. They didn't even ring up half price. They rang up a little bit more than half price. So $2 and some change. We picked these up. There are 3 in here. These are medium size 10, 12. I usually buy him 12, 14s. But just for around the house, these will be just fine for him with no problem. Then we saw a couple of things that we really did not need, or we don't need them for ourselves, but we asked the cashier lady if she would check the prices for us. These were blue dots, and blue dots were ringing up either 25 cents or 50 cents. So this is a two-piece 4T. It's long sleeves with the leopard print. It says meow, and this was 50 cents. The next piece we got, this is again a two-piece with the black top, and it has the pink pants. This is a 2T, and this was also a blue dot. That rang up 50 cents. We have a little friend. His name is Shane. He's a little guy right now, but we figure by the time this it gets cold for next winter season, he'll be able to wear this. Shane is he's a big boy, but he's not quite a year old, but he's a little tall and a little chunky monk. So these are a two-piece sports suit that zips up. It has the zip, and this was 50 cents. So the two pieces there. And they also had another little red one, the red and black. That one rang up for 50 cents. We don't know anybody that is a size 6 to 9 months. That is a girl, but we will find somebody for this. This is cute to wear in the as it gets more spring and summery here. This was regularly $5, and that rang up for 50 cents. Has a little tutu material around it, so we thought that was really cute, and we got that for someone. This next one is a size 3, 6 months. We don't know. I do know somebody. I'm thinking right now, one of my little friends, she just had a little baby girl. Well, hey now, there it is, right? So this is a 3-piece. It has a shirt with the bottoms and the little pink socks. It has a panda bear on the front. This was a blue dot, regularly $10, and this was 50 cents. The next little piece we got, this is cute. This is a 2-piece little, it's green. It's kind of like that felt material. That's probably the wrong thing, but it's a 2-piece with a little hood and has a little owl on the front. This regularly priced at $10, and this one was 50 cents. So I did notice one thing when I was in the store, and I tried to make give a suggestion to the cashier. They have these little security tags in these clothes now that will beep if you walk out with them still in. And the one for this one was right in the middle of the jacket. And so you can actually see there's a little hole in it now. So I said to her, ma'am, I used to work in retail, and suggestion is to find a seam to poke the hole to keep your security piece, the device there, but at least it's not leaving holes in the middle of the clothes. So that's a little bit of a bummer, but for 50 cents, I mean, they can get some good use out of it. So we thought that was really cute, and we picked that up. And I think I'm going to contact my friend Candace and see if her little Isabella would like these things. The next piece we picked up, this is 2 pieces as well. It has the Eiffel Tower on it. This is 0 to 3 months. I think this might be a little bit big for her. But this was regularly priced at $10, and this rang up for 50 cents. The next piece we got was, this says Little Princess. We have a little friend named Brooklyn. It's to 24 months, so probably by the time we get to the fall, she'll be able to wear this. It's a 2-piece jogger set with the hood, a zip. This was regularly priced at $10, and so that as well rang up as 50 cents. A couple of shirts I was able to pull for Jackson. These are some 12-14s, or some 12-14 shirts, just regular shirts that he wears kind of to church. This was regularly $6, and I believe I got this either for a quarter or 50 cents, one of the two. For my nephew Braxton, I picked up this little jacket. It's a very lightweight jacket. It's a size 6-7, and it does have the little hood on it, but it's a lightweight, it's very thin material because it is still kind of a little bit cool on days here. But anyway, he can have it for the fall. This rang up as 50 cents. I got Jackson another shirt as well. That rang up as 50 cents. Then I picked up this shirt. It's a Bobby Brooks, And this one I got for myself. It is that camo material. It has the lace detail on the front, and it also has the little necklace piece. But it's a long shirt that I can either wear with leggings or a pair of like skinny jeans or something like that. I could see me wearing this with a pair of skinny jeans for church. And this was 50 cents. Picked up a pair of pajama pants. They are the camo brand as well. And these rang for 50 cents. Found another Bobby Brooks shirt for myself. This is a black and gray. At work, we have our air conditioning on, and sometimes the kids are warm and I'm cold. So I do try to, you know, keep it on for them. So I still wear longer sleeves. This rang up. This rang is normally priced at $10, and this rang up for 50 cents. So it is a little bit longer as well. So I could either wear leggings, but I probably would not wear leggings to work. The next piece I was able to get, this is just a nightgown, not a nightgown, but a pajama piece, pajama set. So this is just a top, kind of has that racer back top, and then a pair of the polka dotted shorts. And it says flawless after coffee. Alana does not drink coffee, but she does like to wear, you know, little jammy things. So I picked this up for her. If it's too big, because I'm looking at the size now, it may be a little big for her. And if it's too big, then I'll just take it and wear it, because I do drink coffee. And this rang up for 50 cents. Picked up a pair just again of sleep shorts. These are the Bobby Brooks sleep shorts, and they were 50 cents. Grabbed Jackson another shirt. I think this one rang up either a quarter or it rang up for 50 cents. Probably a quarter because it's $6. So I think 25 cents. This is a two-tone gray on gray. And so he can wear that. It's really thin material, and he can wear that for church. Few more things. This was a cold shoulder that I picked up for myself. It is ribbed. It does have a little bit of more of a thicker material. So again, I could wear this into work. It's long. I don't know if they meant it to be a dress, but this is something I would definitely wear with leggings. And I would also wear this with low kids or something like that. Or I would wear it with a nice heel. So a heel, not like a kitty cat, but a real heel. And so this was 50 cents as well. Down to the last couple items. They had these Hanes. This is the cinch leg pants. So it has the no elastic here at the bottom. And I got these for my son. They're just some gray sweatpants. And this one doesn't have the cinch either. So it's just kind of wide leg here. I don't know if that's a flaw in these or not. But they're just sweatpants. He likes to wear these around the house. I got these for my older son, and they were 50 cents. And then I picked up another pair of the Hanes ladies sweats. These are in black, and I got these as workout pants, and they were 50 cents. So there it is. Lots of great deals over at Dollar General this week. I do recommend that you go over there and see what deals you're able to find for your family. There were some amazing deals, and you could even still use your coupons. If you had coupons, remember 2 like coupons per store visit. However you want to figure that out. I know most people go out to their car and come back. Alana actually was at one register. I was at another register. And so that's how we were able to get those finished tabs. So anyway, that is our Dollar General haul. Let me show you my receipts. Okay, I have 2 receipts. These aren't the right receipts. But the 2 receipts, because we went to 2 different Dollar Generals, one was $7 and some change, and the other one was $7 and some change. For all you saw that I got tonight, it was right over $15. So an excellent price for us, because it was like $11 and then $10. Then I used my coupons off. So $15 in all total for both the stores. We did great tonight over at Dollar General. Tomorrow we have a tournament, so we will not be able to go out and see if we can get any deals. But Anyway, that's our haul for Dollar General. So if you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. It just says, hey, we like your video. If you're new to our channel, hit the red subscribe button. We love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. Also hit the little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. And until the next time we shop for any deals, bye now.